Welcome back to another episode of unboxings in our channel, Life Reviewed. My name is Dave, and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a Solimo room heater. You know, it's winter right now in India. The temperatures are quite low. It's January, so yeah, I decided to get a convector room heater, and this is one of the good ones with reasonable pricing. This is from Amazon Solimo, and I got this for around 999. Right now a sale is going on, the Republic Day sale, and you can get this for around 939, so quite low I would say. So let's go ahead and show you around the box, then we'll do the actual unboxing. Okay, Solimo, so MRP of this is 2000, but as I said, you can get this for around 950. Commodity not for retail sale. Okay, let's take this out. So it's quite large. There are other items also available, like from other companies, so you will get this anywhere around 1300, 1200 to even lower, I think. Yeah. Okay, you can see quite large. All right, so there's two layout, or you can carry this around. This is nice, so you can either place it like this. So this is the, you can just vertical view, or you can see the stands here. You can also place it like this on the floor or on the table, and this will also work. There are two knobs here. This is the indicator. There are two knobs. So this is the adjustment, heating, just fan. You can also use this as a fan if you do not want heating, so that's good. This is the level, so high and low. This is fine. The plastic is fairly good quality. It's very good quality, in fact not cheap at all, very hard. ISI mark here, do not cover. So of course this is the heating element, and yeah, it's quite nifty, I would say. Please excuse the books around our setup. Yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of rearrangement of our place of the shooting. So yeah, but these are good things. Yes, books of many kinds. If you want to see the reviews of this book, visit our other channel, Binded Words. I'll put the link of that below. Go there if you want to hear about books. Yeah, you can find some reviews there also. Right, so that's it for today. I hope you like this. If you have any question, put them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Goodbye.